Enjoy your coding behind the scenes.
That's well, my whole life. It's pathetic.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning, it's July 14th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. President Trump has notified the EU and Mexico of new 30% tariffs starting August the 1st, escalating trade tensions beyond existing sectoral tariffs. The EU plans to strengthen ties with other affected nations, while European stocks and US futures remain pressured by the news. FX and bond markets are steady, with crude oil modestly higher on Iran headlines and gold supported by safe haven demand. Markets now await further comments from Trump on Russia and from ECB's Cipollone. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Okay, let's start with the currency pairs. Aussie, US dollar. Right now we are resting in a pretty significant order pool. Don't pay attention to these little squares. It's something new I'm working on. It isn't quite working the way I want yet, so I'm not going to talk about it for now. But I did lay out the HUD a little differently. And what I'm trying out here is a couple of things. One, the most basic information is going to be here in the middle. So that's the strategy that I am trading, which is scalping, whether or not I have a volume filter turned on or off, meaning that the signals will only be pertinent if volume is high. These are all the same. So we've got a bearish indicators. We're watching the ADX, the RSI and the volume, and I have put the indicator for what is the current market situation right now in there. And right now the current trend is down. So that's what that's all about. Over here on the right, I have a new table. It's called the 3-bar stop strategy table. I would describe this as a time-based stop. So the idea is a signal fires, you get in a trade, you stay in it for 3 bars, and then you get out.
Yeah.
This is 99% working. The idea is here's the different signals. It's going to eventually rank them in ascending order as soon as I change that little tweak that we talked about. And all this column does is count the number of bars so I know which bar I am based on what signal fired. It does highlight the signal that fired, which is nice. And it makes the number 1 rank really high. This is the highest ranking signal right now. These little breakout signals that I told you I wasn't going to tell you about.
No, we got this.
That's what that is. So we dropped into an order pool. We're on the second bar in the 3-bar strategy. Next instrument, US Canadian dollar. This is taking a little bit to paint because my code is getting really big. Same idea, same signal. This is an S&P momentum peak signal. It is not ranking at all right now in the ranking thing, but that's okay.
Probably tied.
Yeah, it's probably tied with the breakout strategy. Yeah, that's because that's what we determined what was going wonky there. And that just turned profitable. So that's working okay. Current market trend is up. Notice this is getting red, so we are getting up towards overbought area. And we only have one more bar to wait on this before we take our profit or loss. So we'll see how that goes, but that looks good. Next.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Instrument is US Chief. And so the current market on this is down, trending down, just starting. It looks like there was a pullback there. We are in the middle of the road as far as the traditional indicators are concerned. The RSI is right around 50. Volume is not there. The ADX is weak, and we're in a bearish trend right now. Right now, the S&P is the top ranking signal for this currency pair. There isn't any active signal right at the moment, so I'm in wait and see mode on this particular instrument. Pound US dollar, current market trend is down. We're starting to get a little green, so we are moving to the downside, and there's no volume here at all. Bearish trend. I'm going to say also on this one, nothing to do here. Just leave it alone. All right, so that's kind of everything for this morning. I got some more work to do. Really, the only one that is doing anything of any significance was US CAD. Oh, look at that. That's nice. So we're making a little bit of money here on this one, and we're on the third bar. So as soon as it becomes quarter of, I will get out of this and hopefully make some money. All right, that's all I have for today.
All right. Enjoy your coding behind the scenes.
That's my whole life. It's pathetic.